Good afternoon. My name is Tanmay Kayande, and for the last decade, I've been the trusted advisor for executives from startups to SMBs to enterprise scale organizations. I've found patterns in the architecture of those that lead their field. I know because I've designed and developed their systems and processes using AI, platforms, models, and frameworks to positively affect billions of users, and now bring my insights to you. Welcome to session 3. So far, we've learned how to craft a prompt, how to configure the AI's output settings, and today we begin our journey into specific prompting techniques, starting with the most common and fundamental one you'll ever use. By the end of this brief session, you'll be able to define what a zero-shot prompting is, and second, identify when zero-shot prompting is used. To achieve this, we're going to cover two main ideas: what makes a prompt zero-shot, and what the name zero-shot literally means. If you're following along on the Boonstar white paper, this is around page 13 and 14. So let's start with the definition. A zero-shot prompt is the simplest type of prompt. It works by providing only a description of the task and some text for the LLM to get started with. The input can be almost anything: a direct question, the beginning of a story you wanted to continue, or a specific instruction. And that brings us to the name itself. Why is it called zero-shot? The name is very descriptive because it stands for no examples. With zero-shot prompting, you are not showing the model any examples of the desired output, format, or content. You are relying entirely on the knowledge it already has from its training to understand your request and generate a relevant response. So when do we use it? Zero-shot prompting is your go-to method for simple and direct tasks like where the AI is already likely to know what to do. Think of tasks like answering a basic factual question, performing a simple translation, or summarizing a short piece of text. Is the foundation of most of our daily interactions with large language models. Let's look at an example from the Boonstar paper, found on table 1 of page 14. The goal is to classify a movie review. The prompt gives the model a direct instruction: classify movie reviews as either positive, neutral, or negative. Then it provides the text to be classified. Review the movie Her, and then it gives a whole description. And you'll notice what's missing here. We didn't provide a list of other movie reviews or show the model how we classified them. We gave it 0 examples. We just stated the task and provided the data. Based on this zero-shot prompt, the model correctly analyzes the text and produces the output positive. Let's try a quick mental exercise. Think of a simple, everyday task you could ask an AI to do using only a zero-shot prompt. For instance, you could ask it, what's the capital of France? Or rewrite the sentence in the more professional tone, quote unquote, I need that report ASAP. These are direct commands that don't require any prior examples for the model to understand the goal. The main thing to remember today is that zero-shot prompts are a direct instruction given to the AI without any example of the desired output. It's your fundamental tool for simple, straightforward tasks. But what happens when the task is more complex and the model gets it wrong? That's when you need to provide examples. When zero-shot doesn't work, you can provide demonstrations, which then leads to our next topic. In our next session, we'll build directly on this by looking at one-shot and few-shot prompting, where we'll learn how to guide the model and showing it exactly what we want. Thank you. I'll see you then.